The first one reads, a chlorine feed system has the rotometer set at 50 pounds per day. If chlorine gas is applied for 20 minutes to a 50-foot diameter tank containing water to a 20-foot level, what's the chlorine dose in milligrams per liter? Okay, so they gave us a lot of information here. So what we want to do is we want to write that information down so we can keep it all straight. Okay, we're looking for the dose in milligrams per liter. Well, what else did they tell us? They told us that we're dosing at 50 pounds per day, so that's our dose rate, and we did that for 20 minutes. And then they give us the diameter of the tank and the water level so we can calculate the total volume in the tank. So just to kind of talk through what we're going to do here, we need to take this feed rate and this time and calculate how many pounds were actually added. We'll then use our tank diameter and the water level to calculate the volume in million gallons, and then we'll plug all that into our pounds formula to calculate the dose. So the formula we're going to use is this dosage in milligrams per liter is equal to the pounds of active chemical per day, or in our case it's going to be total pounds divided by million gallons. We're going to eliminate the day from each of these. So our dose will be pounds divided by million gallons and 8.34. Okay, so we're going to get rid of the day because they end up dropping out. We're just looking at total pounds and total volume here. Okay, so our formula is going to be pounds divided by million gallons divided by 8.34. But we've got to calculate some of this. So first we're going to take our 50 pounds per day feed rate, and we say that there's 1440 minutes in a day, and we fed 20 minutes. So what that does is that gives us our total pounds. Okay, so to kind of recap here, we took our feed rate, 50 pounds per day, and we said, well, how many pounds per minute? So we converted that to pounds per minute, and then we multiplied it by the 20 minutes that we dosed to get our total pounds, because that's what we're interested in. So our total pounds added in that 20-minute period is 0.69 pounds. Well, now we got to calculate the volume in million gallons. So using our volume formula, volume equals 0.785 times the diameter times the diameter times the depth times 7.48 gallons per cubic foot. So plugging in our 50-foot diameter and our 20 feet of water, we come up with 293,590 gallons. Well, if we divide that by a million, that gives us 0.293590 million gallons. Well, now that we have our two numbers, our pounds and our million gallons, we can simply plug those in and do the math. I'm showing you this another way. If you don't like the 0.785 in diameter formula, you can use the pi r squared times the depth. You get the same exact answer. Okay. Again, I just find it easier since they give us the tank diameter in feet. Why not just plug it straight in, and instead of using 3.14, we use 0.785. But either way, you should get the same answer for your total volume. And you plug that in step 4. So we have 0.69 pounds divided by 0.294 million gallons divided by 8.34 gives us a total of 0.28 milligrams per liter. So that is our chlorine dose under these conditions.